Hey, this is Brian with Green Scene Home Inspections. You never know what you're going to find till you start digging into a home. And I'm opening the Pancake air conditioning system for a duplex. And when I opened it up, this is what I saw. I'm going to be careful. This is insulation on that cover that has melted off due to some sort of smoke or fire. Look at all the charring and the smoke damage inside the unit. Would never have seen any of this if we hadn't opened it up and did the inspection. As you can see from the interior of the house, it doesn't appear to have any smoke damage except when you peel it open. This is Brian, Green Scene Home Inspections. Thanks. Have a great day.